Treat fleas in your yard biologically by applying the correct beneficial nematode species to targeted, shaded, moist areas. Use Steinernema Feltiae nematodes as a do-it-yourself biological control for flea larvae in lawns because they actively seek and infect soil-dwelling stages. Handle them gently and keep them refrigerated until use to preserve viability. Avoid leaving them in direct sunlight or hot trucks during transport. Mix the product in cool water according to label rates and use a hose-end sprayer or pump sprayer fitted with a coarse nozzle to prevent shear damage. Strain water through a fine mesh if using well water with large particulates. Apply in the evening when temperatures are cool and dew is present, so ultraviolet radiation does not kill the nematodes and humidity supports their movement. Target shaded turf, leaf litter edges, and under shrubs where fleas breed and pets frequent, and apply a second treatment after about 2 weeks to cover late hatching larvae and extend control through the flea life cycle. Keep the treated soil uniformly moist for 48 hours after application by watering lightly once or twice daily. Avoid heavy irrigation that will wash nematodes away or create anaerobic conditions. Store unopened product in the refrigerator at the temperature range stated on the label and use within the viable window, then thaw slowly and mix gently before application. Common mistakes include applying during hot daylight, which kills nematodes. Fix this by scheduling applications at dusk or during cool, overcast conditions. Another issue is letting the soil dry out after application, which leaves nematodes unable to move and locate hosts. Maintain consistent moisture without creating standing water for the recommended 48-hour period. A third mistake is using the wrong species or improper concentration, which reduces effectiveness. Check the product label to confirm it is Steinernema Feltiae and follow the specified mixing rate and coverage guidelines for your lawn area. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and practical, do-it-yourself guidance related to outdoor pest control and other home projects. Our site also connects contractors with work opportunities and hosts an active discussion community where we and other users share experiences and troubleshooting tips.